Morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning around 5:45 Central Time, and I've just completed the reinstall of this layout. I moved it from Ormond Beach, Florida to Jonesboro, Arkansas. We started this process on Friday. We did the loadout on Friday, got here traveling Saturday, and got here late Saturday night. Unloaded it Sunday morning after church and set it up with trains running by the afternoon. It was about 5 or 6 minor problems with building lighting, that wires came off, etc. Just minor things due to the travel. But as you can see, the trains run and it's making noises and doing all the things it should. This engine has been retrofitted with a Tsunami 2, and I've dialed in the dynamic digital exhaust so that it works pretty smoothly. And I like the slight rev up and rev down because this layout does have a little bit of pitch in certain areas. But anyway, that's the process. I'm headed back to Jacksonville today, so talk to y'all later.